Hello, today I'll be teaching the very basics of quilling. This video is especially dedicated to Deidre, who I hope is going to be a good friend of mine in future. Now, the things that you need for quilling are quilling strips, which you can buy ready-made or cut your own. They are available in different widths. What I have with me is a 3mm strip. What you will also probably need is a quilling needle or a quilling slotted tool. It looks like this. It has a slot in the front in which you can stick the paper and roll. You can also try doing it with a needle tool, which takes a little more effort. It looks like this, but you just need to get a hang of it. I'll show you both the techniques. We'll start with the quilling tool because I find that easier to do. Just stick the end of the paper into the tool like this and roll away from you like this. You see? You just roll, roll, roll and roll. Here, I do it fast because I want you to see the video properly. There we go. Now this end that remains, you take a little bit of glue. It can be any glue that you're comfortable with. I use a fabric glue, which I find very quick. Spread it on the end. Remember to clean your finger, or else you'll leave behind fibers from the glue. Here you stick like this, and then just release the roll. Flatten it out like this, or else you can flatten it like this as well. Here, a tight coil is ready. There. Now I'll show you the loose coils. Yeah. Let's make a pink one. Here. This I'll show you with the needle tool. Now in order to use the needle tool, soften the paper like this with your finger. You see it begins to curl a bit. Now just roll it on the needle like this using your finger, and there you go. There. You slip the roll out and you see it's ready. Now for this, you can do it in two ways. Either you can have preset sized ruler, which is very easily available, or a board. Or if you don't want either, just loosen the roll, allow it to uncoil. There. Okay? Now, to the end, just like earlier, put a drop of glue and paste it here. Now your loose coil is ready. Now these loose coils you can shape into different shapes. You can pinch one end. This is called a teardrop. Now if you pinch both ends like this is a marquise or a leaf shape. Now the same one, press like this and straighten out. This is a square. You see? Here. So you can make different shapes using things like this. I find slotted tool the most convenient to use, but you can choose depending on what you like. Now, once more, roll, 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 like this. There we go. Here, paper roll is ready. Just leave it like that. It uncoils, or else you can use a circle sizer like this. If you're making many of them and you want them to be the same size, circle sizer is very convenient and effective. Then you just pick the roll up and pinch where the joint was, like this. Now take the loose end, put a bit of glue. Oops, just dried up. There, spread it a little, and here we go. It is ready. So you can make a host of shapes just mixing them up. For example, this flower is made up of 4 Marquise tight coils. I made tight coils and pinched them on the end and then glued them together. In the center there's a black color tight coil, so it becomes a 4-petal flower. Now let me show you how you can do that. Here are these loose pink coils. So I take them out